GSQ stock or GMSQF stock. So in the last trading session, that was the session of the 10th of March 2023, it lost 11.89%. But overall, the stock is in a strong bullish trend, and it's also outperforming the S&P 500. But momentum is strongly bearish. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is falling as investors sell their shares and drive the price lower. This is because they are probably taking profits from this high of $0.155. But the unbalanced volume indicator is also indicating that buyers are very much active than sellers. They are very much active than sellers. Even though the momentum is weak, but they're still very much active than sellers, because overall the underlying trend is a bullish one. You can see this 200-day moving average, which underlies the trend. It was bearish before, but it's now started to look up, especially since early December of last year. So it's okay. We have a clear pattern here. Not difficult to see. You can see that this is has a cycle going on here. Let's call this the first leg of the upward cycle, the first leg of this upward trend, and then this is the correction, the number 2, and then you have another one here, 3, upward cycle, upward. Okay, after that, okay, let's say now let's just say that it consolidated. Let's say that it consolidated this bullish spike that took it to 0.115, and then began another cycle. Let's call this 1, 2, 3, and then it's now on the correcting phase, and then we expect to see another 5 going up, the 5 going up here. So we can see what's going on here. We don't exactly know where it's going to open, but it's getting support from its 20-day moving average, and somewhere around mid-February, so just closed slightly below that same moving average and spiked up again. So let's just believe that this trend is going to continue. It's going to continue. It's cooled off now. How many sessions? 1, 2, 3, 4 sessions of correction. On trading view, upper projections from where it is right now, we have 0.175, 0.19, and then $0.23. But there are downward projections as well. There's the closest to it right now in the downward direction is 0.16, and after that we have 0.155, 0.145, and then 0.130. So upper projections towards 0.23, but we can always compute our own projection manually. So we take this high of 0.156 and then subtract 0.12 from it, 0.156. Okay, let's do that. 0.156 0.156 minus 0.12, we have 0.036. multiply that by 2.618. you add that to the current price of 0.12. We have 0.214. let's see whether that's anything close to what we have here on upward projections. Yeah, pretty much in line. 0.23, that's pretty much in line with what the algos on TradingView are projecting. So we have a projection of 0.214, and the algos here are projecting 0.23. So pretty much in line with what's going on. But this looks like a valid trend. And there's every chance that it may continue to plot this upward trend. So the probability of it holding this level is also very much intact. It's not very likely that it's going to drop off, especially as it concerns in the very short term, because of the fact that it is right where its 20-day moving average is, and which is also not very far from, and I believe it's just going to be slightly below its 10-day moving average. So there's a probability that it's going to hold this sort of position, because it has corrected a lot. It's corrected a lot here. As of here, you would say that the probability of it retracing was very, very high, and that for sure it has done. But right now, as things stand as of the 10th of March, the probability of it retracing further is not very high. That's just statistically, but indeed it can always continue to retrace. So see what you make of GSQ stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.